Hey, you guys, it is Mirsky back with another YouTube video. Why is it? What the hell? What? Okay, you're tripping now. Okay, you guys, so it is Mirsky back with another YouTube video. If you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe, smack the bell, clap it, and make sure that you share this video with somebody else. So, people who use subliminals, they can know about this. So let's just get into this video. You're attractive, but oh, my heart grew active. Okay, so you guys, as you can see in the title below, I will be talking about subliminals. What mistakes are you making with using subliminals and why they aren't working for you? Okay, so I talk about a lot of, the problems that people have with manifesting and the law of attraction. I also talk about the good things and how you can manifest and stuff. So are you doing these things that are really not allowing the subliminals to work, or do you feel like they're not working for you? Do you feel like subliminals aren't real? These are the 3 mistakes that you are using that are, that you are doing that are interfering with you in the subliminals and why they aren't working. So the first way I would say is because you do not believe it to be real. See, you need to form a belief system within your subconscious mind that what the subliminals have can actually come true and can manifest in your reality. See, the thing about it is, this is what you need to have for anything. You need to have a strong belief in whatever it is. You need to have conviction and, the things that you believe to be true, because without belief, then how are you going to manifest what you desire? Okay, first you have to put that intention in your mind that, okay, I know that everything that I want to manifest is in a different reality than mine. I just have to bring it here, and it all exists. And we are, interdimensional beings, God, and all of that. So we can manifest at rapid speed and whatever speed we want to. There is no limit to what you can bring into your existence. So once you have that instilled within your conscious mind and within your subconscious mind, the subliminals can work. I have a subliminal for, having a different type of body shape, a subliminal to be more healthy, subliminal to attract more money. Subliminals can be used for anything. You just first have to have that belief instilled within you that it can work. So the second way or second mistake that you are using when you are trying to use subliminals is because, so basically you need to invest yourself emotionally into your subliminals and what you're trying to manifest through your subliminals. You need to have an emotional connection, have something that resonates with you. Like I said all the time, it needs to feel good for you to manifest it. Manifesting is all about feeling, okay? If something does not feel right for you, then it's not going to manifest properly. You'll get frustrated with it. You'll feel like, well, subliminals aren't working. Are they even real? Because you are not invested in it emotionally. This is how sometimes you can manifest things quicker, when you have that emotional input into your manifestation. Just like if you were to script it down or to visualize it, you visualize your emotion all within it. You see it. You have a clear vision of, yourself in the future, and you feel that emotion on how you are. You feel the happiness, the joy, the love, the contentment, all of that. You can feel it within your next reality. You can feel it within subliminals. So if you aren't, having that feeling that the subliminal is necessarily going to work for you, then it's a mistake that you're using. Okay, it's not it's not going to manifest how you want it to manifest, because you don't have an emotional input to it. And not to say that you need to attach yourself to it, but you need to have a feeling towards it. You need to have a feeling towards it, because if you don't have a feeling towards it, then why would you even want it? This is like if you were to love somebody, you need to have a feeling towards them. You need to have some sort of feeling to stay in that, that vibration with them, or stay in that connection. So to resonate at the vibration of the subliminal, you need to invest yourself emotionally into the subliminal and into the outcome. Okay, so the third way basically is like to tap it off from the first, I believe. Not really, but visualize it. Okay, so look, What you need to do is you need to see yourself in the future. You need to see yourself already put in that position of whatever it is that you're trying to be put in. So you're trying to manifest a new career. You're trying to manifest a new relationship. You're trying to manifest moving out. You're trying to manifest maybe getting a pet. You're trying to manifest, something that you need to visualize yourself in it already. This is how the law of attraction works, anyways. If you aren't visualizing it, if you aren't seeing it in your mind's eye, then how could you know where you want to be? See, to know where you want to be, you have to already have it envisioned within you. You have to know, and you might not know the steps to get there. You might not exactly know how you can get there. But once you have that vision, you already set that intention. You already set that clear path is going to open up. Everything is going to open up. All the channels are going to make its way through for everything to work. So I'm using the subliminal to manifest money. What I'm doing with it, I'm not just listening to the subliminal. I'm also listening to the subliminal, visualizing it, emotionally investing myself into it, and believing that it truly can work for me. See, all of these things play into a factor on making it actually work. You need to incorporate all of this into listening to your subliminal. You can go about it throughout your day, just listening to it and feeling yourself already shifting or whatever you want to call it. You can feel it because that is most likely how it will help you resonate at the vibration of whatever it is that you are trying to the existence that you're trying to resonate at, because everything is vibration, everything is energy, and you're trying to get to here through that energetic pathway and through that resonance of whatever you're experiencing up here, but you're down here. You need to put yourself up here by doing all the things that are up here. So basically living out your life as if you are already experiencing that. So not to say that you necessarily, like, let's say that you got 10,000, you want to manifest $10,000. You don't have to spend your money like you are already having $10,000, but you need to act like you already have it. You need to feel lavish. You need to tell yourself that I have this much money, I can save it up. Some people who have $10,000, they don't always necessarily spend it, but they spend it on the right things, or they do the right things to have that mindset. You need to have that clear mindset and that clear visual perspective. So basically, you guys, that's all that I wanted to speak on. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, a clap, and a smack on the bell so you can see these videos all of the time that I post. Subliminals, law of attraction, self-help, all of that, because yes, we getting into it, and I love to help y'all out, and I will be back with another video very shortly. Love y'all so much. Peace.